Today I'm sharing a super simple makeover that anyone can do. It started out with this $15 end table from my local thrift store. First things first, I scrubbed it with a clean degreasing cleaner and a wet rag. While I was cleaning, I removed the old hardware as well. Then I primed the end table with 2 coats of clear shellac so that the paint would stick to the laminate and to the wood. I used clear shellac in a spray can so it would be quick and easy to apply, and it dries smooth so you don't have to sand it afterwards. Then I mixed some General Finishes milk paint in the color Seagull Gray with some water to thin it out. This stuff is so thick straight out of the can, and thinning it helps the paint dry with virtually no brush marks. And then I brushed the paint on to the table with my zebra paintbrushes. I absolutely love this paint. It's one of my favorites, mostly because it's self-leveling, meaning that the brush marks level out to basically a perfectly smooth finish. But I still try to brush it on in long strokes that go with the wood grain, so any brush marks that are left behind blend in with the wood grain. I let it dry for a couple of hours between each coat, and I wrapped my paintbrush in some plastic to keep it wet. For this table and this color of paint, I ended up needing to paint 4 coats to get full coverage. After that last coat of paint was dry, I sprayed it with 3 coats of this Minwax Polycrylic in a rattle can. This water-based poly is a protective coat, making the paint more durable and wipeable. I sprayed it on thicker than a mist, but not too thick to make it run or puddle. Here's what it looked like after spraying the first coat of poly, and then I let it dry between coats for only an hour before spraying the next coat. I put new knobs on the drawer, and here is what it looks like now. I absolutely love how well this paint works to create a brush-free finish. I ended up spending $90 on supplies, but most of those can be used for multiple projects, so I would guess that I used around $30 max on supplies for this project. What do you think of the new look? Let me know in the comments. Not sure what supplies you need for your furniture flip? We got you. Click the link in my comment to download our free list of must-have supplies that we use every day to paint furniture.